Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm gonna start with my eyes. I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and my One Size Ultimate Setting Powder. This is a translucent setting powder. How do y'all like my new intro and my background? I was just gonna change my background, but decided to change up my intro too. So I think both just add like a new, different vibe to my videos. So hope y'all like it. Now I'm going to use the Vanessa by Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to take that shade right there and just put that in my crease, and I'm going to take the other shade and put it on my lids. Now I'm going to use my Maven Beauty liquid eyeliner. Next, I'm going to use my AOA Studio Lash Glue, and then I'm going to use my Ioni lashes. Okay, now to make sure there's no gap showing, I'm going to use my Sephora eye pencil, and I'm going to use my Essence waterproof mascara. Okay, I already moisturized my face. Now I'm going to use my Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. Next, I'm going to use my Sephora Beauty Amplifier Pore Primer. Now to correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. Now I'm going to use the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. This is in 13 Chestnut. Now for some more coverage, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Cinnamon, and I'm just going to put this all the places where I put my orange corrector. To highlight, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Medium Dark Warm. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. I'm going to use the top shaded contour on my nose, go around my jawline, and the other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. Okay, I blended out that concealer I had down. Now I'm going to use my ABS setting powder in Deep Peach and that one size powder. I just mixed the two together. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. Next, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Blush Duo Volume 4 palette, and I'm just going to take a mixture of those two shades for my blush. Now I'm going to use the Pat McGrath Labs by Bridgerton highlighter palette. This is in Extreme Gold 002. Now for lips, I'm using my ABH lip primer, also my Juvia's Place lip liner in Brownie, and my ABH lipstick in Dusty Rose. And to set my face, I'm going to use my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed the soft matte makeup tutorial. Something easy that you can do every day and definitely beginner friendly. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. I'm trying to grow my channel, y'all. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. See you all on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.